Welcome to my channel Android Phones Collection. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new videos.
Less than 2 months after launching Samsung Galaxy S10, the world's first collapsible mobile phone with the Samsung Galaxy Fold, news began to circulate around the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10, the Samsung Galaxy Note X instead of Galaxy Note 10, being the 10th generation of one of the Samsung's most important phone lines. We did not wait long after the launch of the phones. So came a set of specifications expected significantly for Samsung Galaxy Note X. According to reports, the expected phone will come with a 6.7 AMOLED display of Infinity Display. Samsung has been reported to include all the sensors on the phones, including the front camera, fingerprint sensor and so on. No edges at all. The phone will come in two versions, as we used one for the Middle East and Europe Exynos 9820 chip and the other in East Asia and North America Snapdragon 855 chip with 12 GB of random memory. For internal memory, the phone will have 1 TB memory with lower volume versions that may start from 1 to 8 GB with 6 GB of RAM or 8 GB. The Samsung Galaxy Note X will also support the 5th generation of communications. For the camera, the phone will have 4 rear cameras, making it similar to the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. The Android phone is expected to be the first Android Q to be launched at the upcoming Made by Google event with the new Samsung interface that we are seeing in all the top level of phones, including One UI. Has been greatly improved with the improved features of Samsung Bixby personal assistant. The price of the phone is expected to range from $1,500 to $2,000.